Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to the One Family Investing YouTube page. This is actually my first video that I'm recording, and it feels weird as heck. So here we go. This video is about getting your first brokerage account. If you don't know what a brokerage account is, I'll be talking about that in this video. And this is actually a topic from the newsletter that we have at One Family Investing. This is the third of 3 emails went out so far. So 1, 2, 3. These 2 are the same because this first one on mobile, it looks like crap. So I had to resend it. And we sent out a welcome email. And so that's how new we are. But my name is Uneducated Yogi. I've been investing for a while, and this video will help you understand brokerage accounts and why you should have one if you want to invest. Okay, so this is One Family Investing. We want to gain knowledge, make moves on investments, and meet like-minded people. Okay. We're an empowered community of investors with high quality research on multiple opportunities to invest in to achieve financial future for you and your individual families. And you can sign up for this newsletter that I'm actually speaking from today. So let's get into it. So, oh yeah, I forgot this thing was on this. I'm all big here. That was just supposed to be for the introduction. Here you go. Little me there. Little me. Alrighty, so here we go. So One Family Investing. So there's new folks who joined the newsletter since March 1st. Thank you for joining. Yeah, this went out on March 1st. Here we go. Today, we're going to be briefly talking about brokerage firms and which one is good to start with. If you're not familiar yet, a place where you can buy stocks, buy and sell stocks, bonds, and options are called brokerage firms. So brokerage firms is where you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and options. And options is what they typically call what day traders do. They'll trade options. Myself, I'm what's called a holder or a holder. So I don't day trade, but I'll buy a stock that I can see long-term gains from, or, it's like a safe fund. So I hold stocks, but I'm moving into doing day trading. There are many of these firms to choose from. The one I'm sharing today is a good one for beginner investors and traders. It's called Robinhood. Robinhood is one place I've been buying stocks since 2018. It's a very user-friendly and easy to understand when using it, which is true. It's really easy to understand. I like it because of that. Like, even if you have no idea what you're doing, once you start using it, it's super cool and easy. Here's a few of my first stocks I bought back then. Sorry for all the clearing throat, but here we are. First video. It's going to be so embarrassing when I look at this in the future. So here's a few of my first stocks that I bought back then. So this one is the first one I bought. It's called IGC Pharma. IGC Pharma. It's a what's it called? It was a medical health and medical industry stock. I bought 2 of them at $7.16. Sprint, I bought 2018 Sprint, and market buy means I bought it at market price, meaning the price what I bought it at is whatever it was at the time I clicked buy. One share at $6.55, and then another one, SoftBank 2019. I bought 1 share at $48.99. So I believed in the market somehow. and thought I should get in it. Don't you go buy these stocks that you see here, by the way. So I wrote that in the newsletter, and this is important to me because I'm not trying to have people follow, one family investing, and it's like the things we show, it means you go buy it. No, this is strictly for research. So understand what's happening first, and then as we share more and more newsletters, and as we do more of these, I'll suggest things that that we're buying at least, and that we're looking at, and then you'll get a lot of research and resources here to do your own research and make moves yourself. So that's the idea, right? To make moves and make some moolah. Okay, don't you go buy these stocks. I'll be giving you good stocks to buy starting next week, so stay tuned. It is true, I am. Um, it doesn't mean you can't get ready. It doesn't mean you can't get ready. Okay, so basically I'm just saying you can download Robinhood beforehand to get ready. In a couple days here, I'll be sharing some stocks. If you know you're ready so if you're ready to experiment and things like that, I say just download Robinhood, and I'll be sharing a link to download Robinhood to where we both get a free stock. So if you're interested in something like that, please, use the link that I provide, and we'll both get a free stock when you sign up. If you know okay, so, oh yeah, and then put a little bit of money in it. Put like $20 in the app, So that's what I was saying here. Put $20 in it or something. Just a small amount, so that when I do give you a good stock, maybe you do the research, you're interested, you don't have to think about it. You just go, okay, I'm gonna put my $20 in it. Robinhood is a good brokerage to start with for beginners, especially for the ability to buy fractional shares. Fractional shares is very important because this means if you are interested in a stock that is outside of your budget, you can still invest in a piece of it instead of needing to buy the whole share. So there are some brokerage firms, like there's one called Charles Schwab, which is the one that I am using for one family investing. But for this one, you have to buy the whole stock in order to invest in the stock. But on Robinhood, which is here, you can buy fractional shares of stocks, like. So you're going to look at my portfolio. I hope I'm not sharing anything intrusive here. Like this one is a fractional share. It's only 0.3 of a share. This one is a fractional of a share. It's not a whole share. And some of these I didn't start with a whole share. Some of them I bought a little bit first and then bought more. So there's that. So that's what that means. So. And I gave another example right here. When I first bought Tesla, I bought it as a fractional share. This was back in July 2022. Tesla, the market price, but I put 25 in it, and the Tesla share was $1,190. And I put $25, so I wasn't even close. Wasn't even close. And it was 0.020, this much of a share. So what's good about Robinhood for beginners is that you can buy shares and not have to spend $1,190 to get in on a share that is going to go up maybe, And right now you'll see this price and you're like, well, Tesla went down a lot. It didn't go down a lot necessarily. It did this thing called the split. It was Tesla before the stock split. And we'll talk more on that later. But basically, in order for people to buy a stock on the places that do not offer fractional shares, companies, they want to break down the shares so more people can get in, and they can raise more capital. So the stock was very high, and they split it up. And it doesn't mean you lose money. It just means that you get more shares at a lower price. Okay. And it'll reflect in the ownership of it when the split happens. Okay. And again, more on that later. Don't worry about it. But I bought it before the split, and then I also bought more Tesla after the split. Okay. So not all brokerage firms like Charles Schwab will allow something like this. Okay, which I said. So Robinhood was a game changer that popularized all the fractional share buying. If it sounds interesting, download Robinhood and even get a free stock when you use my link. So there's the link, and I'll put it in this video as well or below it. I have no special connection with them, just sharing my link because we both get a free stock when we use it. That's it. That's it. I just want to give a stock and I want to get a stock, but I have no special connection at all. For now, I'll end here. If any of this helped in any way, if you found this information informative, please do let me know. Let me know if you found this informative. If you have any questions, just reply here and I'll love to answer them. So please do ask any questions. And if you found this informative, please give it a like, subscribe, share. I'm new at this, and all this is going to help get me out to help more people. I want to do this completely for free. I'm going to put out a lot of good information for free, and I'll give more on myself later. I want to keep this however long this video is. I don't know, but I want to keep it at this right now. Later on, I'll show some more stuff. All right. Thank you all, and peace.